Lesley Logan. I'm here at my Pilates Haven. This is where I film my online weekly mat classes, and I have a tip for your boomerang. So boomerang is, there's a few variations that are out there, and I learned one that does this whole teaser thing, and I think I even have a video on it for you. But over the last couple of years, I've learned how it was originally taught, and I really like it because it keeps the exercise a rolling exercise. So first, let's break down boomerang. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Your one leg is crossed over, you're round over, you bring your legs to you go back, and then you kind of hover, you switch the cross of the legs, you come forward, your arms actually reach back, and they're reaching back and lifting up 3 times helps you oppose the weight of your legs, and then allows you to find that rowing shape that you would get from the reformer or the roll up, right? So then we have the other leg on top, and I'll do one more. So you lift your legs to you, they take you over, you keep the space the same between your legs and your chest. Then as you come forward, your arms go back, and they oppose how much the legs want to fall forward, and then you go again. And again, it's a rolling exercise. So you just want to keep the rolling going, right? You wouldn't stop to reset. So a couple tips to make this actually happen for you. You don't necessarily have to go all the way overhead. Yeah, you can actually just practice having the hands here and trying to squeeze the seat and lift the legs to you. Squeeze the seat, lift the legs to you. Switch the cross of the leg, squeeze the seat, lift the legs, squeeze the seat, lift the legs. You can do that over and over again, and that's gonna get you to being able to roll. The other thing that's really hard about boomerang is when you get upside down, if you're not careful, it's easy to let the weight of the legs fall on you. So practicing your seal where you have to hover is going to help you with boomerang. So I would definitely be getting your seal in where the legs are a little more proximal to you before you have these heavy distal legs. And then when in doubt, just keep moving. It gets better. If you don't feel like you have control over it, it's generally when the legs are feeling too heavy, and that just means you need a little more seat and a little more low belly. So practice hugging that in and pulling the stomach back, and keep moving. If you keep doing the exact same thing every single rep and you don't like the result, it's because you're doing the exact same thing. So try to find out something different, or ask me below and I will see if I can figure out what's going on. I'm Lesley Logan. For more videos from me, please subscribe below. Send your questions in on the comments below, and I hope to see you again soon.